magic, trickery, deception, elusive. All right, those were just 4 characteristics of the skill we'll be going over in today's tutorial. Let's master Hocus Pocus. All right, let's simplify this skill by breaking it down into 3 components. Step 1, step over the ball with your non-dominant leg. For me, that's going to be my left. Now, you can either step directly over the center of the ball or a little to the left, a little to the right. It doesn't really matter as long as you're still balanced and coordinated enough to execute the next 2 steps. I prefer either straight over the ball or a little to the left of center. Okay, so we've stepped over the ball with our non-dominant foot. Step 2 is to tap the ball with the inside of our dominant foot at an angle to the left side of our body. And now step 3 is to simply snap the ball with the outside of that dominant foot to the inside. So again, step over the ball, tap, tap. Step over the ball, either centrally or a little off center. Tap the ball, snap it back. And that's Hocus Pocus.